chupeta.
She does like her chupeta.
Yes, chupeta, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, she does. Oh.
Lea, uh-oh. Lea. Mama has una punta. Have una punta.
She has a punta?
Look.
Oh, it's got polka dots. You're right. That's nice. You know what her shirt says, Ian?
Uh-huh.
What does it say?
Lea.
Close. It says little sister. Who's that? Whose little sister is she? She's your little sister, isn't she?
You like your chupeta. Okay.
Yeah, maybe she doesn't need it anymore. Whoop.
Huh?
Maybe she doesn't need it. Think she still wants it?
Look. Mama. She likes
Oh, you're right. She does. She likes it. Oops. Looks like she might be... You're such a good big brother, Ian.
Hi. You like your chupeta? I do.
You do too, don't you? But yours is only for what?
Night.
Mm-hmm. Thanks for being a good big brother, pal. I love you. I love you too, Miss Leah.
I love you too, Lea.
Yeah.